Alright guys, we're gonna change the battery on these Toyota Smart Keys. Usually end up coming in two colors. It's like silver color and it's black. Pretty much the same thing. We'll start off with this one. You're gonna start off by taking out your emergency key. Use the emergency key, get into this groove, twist, and just pop it right out. Put that to the side. We'll take out the board. Use your nail, get in there and out. This is where your battery is. Now you can use a flathead, a blade, maybe your nail, to get to it. And there you go. You have your battery. These remotes take a CR1632 battery. To put it back in, plus side up. Slide it in. We'll put the board back first. Just like that. And top cover. Just go like that. And we'll just pop it in place. There you go. And same thing with this one. Emergency key into this groove. Twist it. Should pop to the side. Take out the board. There you have your battery. Pop out the battery. Flathead. There you go. Okay, these remotes also take a CR1632 battery, plus side up. Pop it back, put the board back. Okay, now the top cover. Pop, pop. Okay, emergency key back. There you have it.